Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In today's hobby time video I will be sharing with you the unboxing of the Space Marines Primaris Aggressors, the quick build version of the box. Like I did share with you in a previous video the full options box, or the more expensive version of this set. This one will cost you 20 British pounds from Games Workshop directly, or 24 euros if you are from Europe. Or if you go to third-party resellers and they give you a nice discount, then you can buy them for 15 British pounds. I bought this one from Triple Helix Wargaming, and maybe I am not mentioned in my previous videos, but I'm not affiliated with them in any kind of way. They have no affiliate program because they give you the best possible price, and that is around 25%, if I'm not mistaken, 25% off. Some pages or some resellers will offer affiliate programs where they will give you a lesser discount and the few percent will give as a kickback to the reviewer. I'm not getting these sponsored. I'm paying with my own money, so therefore I'm buying them as cheap as possible, of course, and sharing it with you. Because I always value my subscribers, and I try to give them the best possible information where you can save some money, because the hobby is expensive as it is. So if you can save some more, it's always good. Okay, from Triple Helix Wargaming you will pay 15 British pounds or 17 euros. Okay, let's unbox this really quickly. And yes, this is primarily a knife channel, so if you are here for the Warhammer content, then I strongly suggest go and check out also my other videos. Okay, let's keep it here. So it has a really beautiful art, so combining the full kit, which has a rendering of the heavy metal, beautiful heavy metal paint scheme with the quick build. So here's the logo, easy to build, quick build. You will get a art piece rendering, which is probably inside one of the codexes or some of the lines on. Okay, let's check out a little bit the box. So here is the sergeant, and here are the fully painted on the box. So here's the quick assembly information. So probably we will have no manual inside, which is also one way how to save money. Some nice pictures. I always love when they are showing you also the back side of the miniature, but if you are painting Warhammer stuff, then you will probably know. Let's see, what is this? Booklet. Okay, so firstly we have pre-drilled bases, because these are quick build or easy to build sets, so you will not need to have any kind of glue, but I probably will end up gluing them together just to be sure. Okay, so and firstly let's start with the range. So this easy to build sets are obviously intended to accompany your journey while starting with Warhammer and Space Marines. So firstly, you can or you should start with this magazine. I did bought them, I don't know the exact price, probably around €5. It will have a nice amount of information, fluff, and they will also give you your first intercessor, so your first miniature. Then you can start collecting with these two base sets. So the smaller one, the cheapest one, around 36-35 euros is the first strike. You will have two armies pinning against each other with a quick scenario on a map. Then of course you can add on with a larger box with even more miniatures, which is the No Fear box set, and you can add up units. Here you have probably 3 intercessors, 3 reavers, and also a redemptor dreadnought. These are all also available in the full-size box sets of 10 units, of course. They had also a 5-unit reaver squad, but they discontinued it. I managed to snag one up and have a video on my channel. Okay, so now they will give you information how to build them. And these new Dark Imperium miniatures, or the new easy to build, are static poses, so you will build them as a fixed unit. So maybe you could wiggle a little bit with the hands, but I'm not sure. Definitely no leg positions or weapons positions, you cannot change them. But therefore they are less expensive, of course. So here's the sprue, and as I see here, you will get 3. Wow, they did cram 3 free Marines on this one sprue. Just for a comparison, since I reviewed it in my previous video, this is the full kit, and obviously you see the easy to build are blue, and the full kits are this nice, highly detailed gray plastic. So you have options with the different weapons here, and probably you will save, of course, space when you have only one option. Then you will use all the pieces here. They have one spare piece here, so maybe they could put some purity seals there. I don't know if they give you any purity seals. Let's see, there are no on the body. I see something here. This looks like a small purity seal. Let's see, somewhere else. No. So they will give you no purity seals. They certainly had a little bit place, but then again, this is a quick build or easy to build set, so you have no glue requirement. So here's the purity seal right here. Okay. The date of production, ...2017. Okay. So you will have three units of free aggressors on the sprue, and of course the full transfer sheet. It's the same transfer sheet like in the full box set. Okay, so this was the unboxing of the Primaris Aggressors, easy to build from the easy to build line. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for your support. If you are not, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knives, gear oriented, but also Warhammer and hobby related stuff like tools, unboxings, miniatures, and so on. Okay, and of course I will put all the informations I deem necessary in the description down below, so check them out also. And thanks for watching, have a nice day, see you soon, bye.